Hey, parents of rising high school seniors, are you worried you're going to spend your summer nagging your child to get started on their college applications? I get it. I was in your shoes just a short time ago with my own kids. And trust me when I tell you, our new college application boot camps will help. You'll say goodbye to application stress and family strife. We're offering 2 different options on multiple dates. Our personal statement bootcamp will help unleash their creativity, master essay structuring, and they'll receive in-depth reviews from our essay coaches. And our Common Application Bootcamp will provide expert guidance on completing the Common App profile, crafting killer activity list descriptions, and they'll receive thorough review and feedback from actual admission experts. Plus, they'll enjoy bonus workshops on the Common App rollover and college-specific sections and essay supplements. Let us not only help your student get started, but after our boot camp, they'll have quality work that's ready for submission. So don't miss out. Secure a spot now and let your student ace their college applications with confidence.